All hell broke loose. All hell broke loose. It is an idiom. It means pandemonium. That is a situation that is completely out of control. An uproar, confusion. If all hell breaks loose, it is called a situation suddenly becomes noisy and violent. Usually with a lot of people arguing or fighting. So, all hell broke loose means a situation that is not in control. Let us see this idiom in the examples. The first one, when the students were told that their demands would not be met, all hell broke loose. Students were agitating. The principal came out and told that their demands will not be addressed. Then all the students started shouting, arguing, and they became violent. Then all hell broke loose. The second one, all hell broke loose when the teacher had left the classroom. This is quite natural. When teacher is present, students are very calm and peaceful. When teacher leaves the class, they start fighting, shouting, and doing all mischievous things. Then all hell broke loose. The third one, when one policeman drew his gun and then suddenly all hell broke loose. People are agitating very peacefully, but suddenly a policeman took out his gun. Then all people started fighting and they became violent and they shouted like anything. Then all hell broke loose. The fourth example, one guy pushed another at the bar and then all hell broke loose. That's why we left. So somebody asked me why you left the bar. So one guy disturbed the entire thing and the fight started and all hell broke loose. There is a lot of arguing, fighting in the bar. That's the reason we left the bar. The fifth one, don't take her into the party fold or all hell will let loose. She is not good in her conduct. So if we take her into the party, then our party will become a fighting club. So all hell will let loose if you take her into the party. We will not control anyone. So let us try to see and understand the origin of this idiom. The English author and poet John Milton is responsible for the origin of this idiom. In his epic poem, Paradise Lost, this expression appears as, wherefore with thee came not all hell broke loose. Wherefore with thee came not all hell broke loose. Milton's poem is a biblical story about Satan. Satan is an angel who rebelled against God and was forced out of heaven into hell. Before he was thrown out of the Garden of Eden, Satan met Gabriel. Gabriel, an angel who acted as a messenger from God. Gabriel asked the Satan, wherefore with thee came not all hell broke loose? It is because of you the entire hell became hell. So the origin of this idiom comes from John Milton's Paradise Lost. So finally we understand the idiom all hell broke loose means it's a pandemonic situation. A situation that is completely out of control and which involves a lot of people arguing, fighting, not at all listening to each other.